Do you ever feel like you're overflowing with ideas and dreams, but laziness keeps holding you back? You've got the ambition, but when it's time to act, something seems to stop you. Sound familiar? Well, you're not alone, and this video could be the breakthrough you need. Here's a quick challenge. Pause this video and comment your biggest goal for 2025. Whether it's getting into your dream college, acing your exams, or building a powerful new habit, writing it down is the first step toward making it real. Now let's dive in and break free from laziness to take control of your future. Step 1. Build a strong mindset. Let's start with the foundation, your mindset. Laziness is something everyone faces, even the most successful people. It's not about avoiding it completely, it's about learning how to push past it. I've been there too. I used to procrastinate all the time, making excuses, wasting hours scrolling on my phone, and then regretting it later. But everything changed when I shifted my mindset. Here's what I realized. If your goal doesn't scare you, it's not big enough. Big goals force you out of your comfort zone. They give you a reason to wake up and work hard, even when it's tough. So ask yourself, are your goals big enough to excite and challenge you? If not, it's time to dream bigger and aim higher. Step 2, take control of your phone. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Your phone. Check your screen time right now. How many hours do you spend scrolling each day? Be honest. Is it 3 hours, 5 hours, or even more? Here's the harsh truth. Every hour you spend scrolling is an hour you're stealing from your own success. Watching others live their dream life won't bring you any closer to living yours. Here's your game plan to take back control. Set daily screen time limits. Even cutting back by 30 minutes a day makes a difference. Unfollow distractions. Fill your feed with content that educates and inspires you. While others are consuming mindless content, you'll stand out by consuming the right things. Turn your phone into a tool. Use it to learn new skills, watch motivational videos, or track your goals. Don't let it control you. Pro tip, if YouTube distractions are a problem, turn off your watch history in the settings. It was the best decision I made this year. Now take a moment to comment how much time you're spending on your phone and one step you'll take to reduce it starting today. Accountability is the first step toward change. Step 3, stay consistent no matter what. Here's a truth that changed my life. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. Consistency is your secret weapon. It's even more important than motivation. Not every day will be perfect. Some days you'll feel tired or uninspired, and that's okay. What matters is showing up and doing something, no matter how small. Here's how to stay consistent. Plan your day. Firstly, write down 3 non-negotiable tasks every morning. Focus on progress, not perfection. Even the smallest steps move you forward. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge every victory, no matter how small. It keeps you motivated. Remember, consistency compounds over time. The little things you do each day build up to big results. Now it's your turn to take action. Watching this video is a great start, but real change happens when you apply what you've learned. Your final task, grab a notebook and plan your day. Even if you've wasted most of it, the last minute can still make it count. Laziness doesn't define you, your actions do. Starting today, commit to taking one step forward, no matter how small. Let's make 2025 the year you take control of your dreams. Are you ready? Let's do this together.